I did not think that this was going to work, but here's how I did it.
First, you're going to need a fresh mango, you're going to need an inverter, a 12-volt battery, some copper wire, and some sellotape. And we're going to build an electromagnet. We can start off by connecting the positive terminal to the positive on the battery, and then we're going to get some copper wire. You can get some copper wire from any local hardware store. I'm then going to wrap this copper wire around the mango, all right, to create a coil. All right, the more copper wire you use, the stronger your electromagnet will be. But I'm just going to use some sellotape just so that this stays on, else it's just going to slip off. I'm then going to use a little screwdriver just to puncture the mango to make a little hole right at the bottom. You then want to just place your mango on the top of the glass and connect the one end of the copper wire to your inverter, just like that. Cool. And the other end of your copper wire, I'm going to wrap it around the other terminal of the battery. And I'm just going to use this little clamp here, just so that it stays on. Cool, just like that. So now we can simply just switch on the inverter. And as you can see, now it is busy squeezing out the mango. So what's actually happening is the battery is creating an electromagnetic field inside of the copper wire, and that is what is causing the juice to be squeezed and come out the bottom of that little hole at the bottom of the mango. Hope you enjoyed watching this and follow for more.